right, so our next question is, I have
Yeah,
a dead tooth where the nerve has been removed and sealed to prevent bacterial infection. Will this tooth remain in my mouth or will it need to be replaced in some point in the future? It sounds like somebody has had a root canal and not sure if it's something that they're going to be able to keep for their whole life, is what it sounds like to me.
absolutely. Yeah. So what the caller is asking is they have a dead tooth in the mouth, and what they're asking is, can that dead tooth remain in the mouth, or will that need to be replaced? And I apologize, a dead tooth, like it sounds like a bad word or like a dirty word. And dead tooth, what we mean by dead tooth, meaning anytime somebody needs to have a root canal treatment done, what that means is when the teeth are live, or when the way the teeth live is they have a nerve and the blood vessels all they go in the tooth. And whenever you're going to get the root canal treatment done, one of the ways that we do the root canal treatment, we remove all the nerves inside the tooth, so we call it as a dead tooth. And so that is what I think the caller is referring to, is just because you had a root canal treatment done, it doesn't mean that you cannot have the tooth in your mouth, for the rest of your life, as long as you do not have any infection, just like we talked about the previous caller. As long as the tooth is good and you do not have any continuous infection or any problems or any pain, you can continue to have the tooth for the rest of your life. And unless it is a real necessity, when you start to have problems, you don't need to worry about replacing it at all. However, make sure that whenever your dentist possibly is recommending, you may need to have like a crown put on, like a cap put on a dead tooth, because the dead tooth, when they are like in your mouth for a long period of time, they have a tendency to start to crumble. So you don't want the tooth to break, because they lose all the blood supply and then they start to crumble. So talk to your dentist whether you need a crown to help you keep your tooth for the rest of your life. And I got many patients in my practice and they had the root canal done 30, 40, 50 years ago, and they last forever. So talk to your dentist and they should be able to help you.